Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, I am currently at Richie Hill waiting on for my train to work, where I'm going to do another travel episode on my usual commute into North Sydney, starting from Richie Hill. Anyway viewers, if you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I'll give you a quite quick pan of Richie Hill. We're in school holidays at the moment. So I'm waiting for my train to work at the moment. I haven't had much time putting up some content since last Friday because I've been busy at work with the end of the financial year just been and gone, and we've only just started a brand new financial year in Australia a couple of days ago. So anyway viewers, sit back and enjoy. Okay guys, here comes my train to work. As long as it's not A73, because A73 are now being pulled off it because of what I saw what happened earlier in the year, and it's a derailed to A22 today. Anyway viewers, I've just got off Waratah Series 1 A22. This is a ferry Waratah that hit the dirt at Mulgrave when it first entered service at the time. Okie dokie guys, I'm just gonna tap off and I'll catch you later. Okie dokie guys, I finished work and I am gonna start heading home, when I'm gonna head downstairs to platforms 1 and 2 and I'm gonna catch my train home. So anyway viewers, I will see you downstairs. Okie dokie guys, I'm now on platforms 1 and 2. I'm just waiting on for my train to arrive, which will be identical to this Tangoa in front of me here sitting down. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs, by the way. This Tangoa, after Parramatta, it will stop all stations to St Mary's. Thank you guys, I'm back at Richie Hill now. Okie dokie guys, just going to take a quick trip up the lift to my car. Make sure there's no one out there. Okay guys, unfortunately that's all I had to show you guys. I'm gonna drive back home. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Don't forget to give a video the thumbs up, subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I'll see you next time. Until we meet again, it's goodbye for now.